पणजेचो काँग्रेस उमेदवार बाबूश मोन्सेरातान भाजपा प्रदेशाध्यक्ष विनय तेंडुलकराक सणसणीत जाप दिल्या. तो म्हणटा, भाजप ही दर्यांत बुडपी बोट जाल्या. तातूंत आपणांक पेंवपाक कळना म्हणटकीर आपल्याक हे बोटीन बसपाचेंच ना. तशेंच आपूण भाजपाच्या फुडाऱ्यांक मेळ्ळो त्या वेळार ताणें आपल्याक पणजेंतल्यान वेंचणूक न लडोवपाचो सल्लो दिल्लो.
बाबूश मोन्सेरात भाजपाच्या कार्यालयात आयिल्लो आनी पणजेच्यान आपल्याक भाजपाची उमेदवारी मागतालो असो आरोप भाजपा प्रदेशाध्यक्ष विनय तेंडुलकरान हालींच जाहीर रितीन केल्लो. ताका बाबूशान जाप दिल्या. तो म्हणटा, आपूण भाजपा कार्यालयात गेल्लो पूण तो सतीश धोंडाक मेळपाक, विनय तेंडुलकराक न्हय.
And I have got a good relation with Mr. Don for donkey's years. That is one thing. My talk was very simple. I will tell you because I know Mr. Don, and basically I was leaving that alliance of where Goa Forward is concerned. So I went basically to tell him that I am basically resigning Goa Forward. That I will be contesting Panjim election. He told me clearly that you don't contest an election. That is what I am telling you. So now because who was there present is me, Mr. Don't, and God. So whoever tells lies, God will see. After he said, no, you should not contest election. This thing, that thing. He said, and all. You should be in the BJP. See, this is what he said. He never offered me ticket, but let me say, you should be in the BJP. I will give you the full script of what this thing. Then after I told him that I will be joining the Congress. No, you should not join the Congress, this thing, that thing, and that is what he said. Why? I said, you are giving me a ticket? This is the conversation. I was never going to contest on a BJP ticket. Because for a simple reason is what happened. They had their own candidates. Where I was nothing compared as far as because this fellow Mr. Parikar's son was there as a candidate, and Siddharth was sitting MLA. So it would be foolishness on my part to ask them for a ticket when both this when sitting MLA was there and when Siddharth when this fellow Mr. Parikar's son was there. So you think I am such a fool or not? And first of all, I am telling you one thing: I don't know to swim. And the ship which is sinking, I will never join that because I cannot, I won't be able to come up.
बाबूशान गोंय सरकारा वेल्यान आपली भाशा बदलल्या. आदी ताणें म्हणिल्लें 23 मेक सरकार बदलतलें. आता तो म्हणटा 24 मे उपरांत गोंयांत स्थिर सरकार येतलें.
We will have a stable government after the 24th.
व्हिडिओ पत्रकार डेरन फर्नांडीसा वांगडा पणजे सावन आमचो खबराकार समीप नार्वेकर.